Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I want to make a scrambled egg. And let me introduce myself. My name is Gulam Abdul Afif. You can call me Gulam. And I'm grade 12 century. And before to go in this step, I want you to know the ingredient of a scrambled egg. And let's go. This is an ingredient of a scrambled egg. I have 2 eggs. I have a salt. I have a white pepper. I have bowl and spoon. And let's go into the step. Step 1. Crack the egg into a bowl and add a pinch of salt and pepper. Step 2. Mix the egg with spoon. Step 3. Take a fire pan and then melt the butter. And don't forget to turn on the stove. Step 4. Pour the beaten egg into the frying pan. Step 5. Fold the egg to the center and stir with spatula. Step 6. Turn off the stove. Step 7. Lift the egg, put on the serving plate, and your scrambled egg are ready. So that's a step-by-step how to make a scrambled egg. It's very delicious and you can make the lesson. And that's all. I'm Gulam Abdul Afif. Thank you guys.